Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet tissue box design ideas. Creating a crochet tissue box cover is a fun project. Choose your yarn, color and start with a foundation chain that matches the weight of your tissue box. Work in rows, creating a rectangle that wraps around the box, and add opening for tissues, and then sew the sides together. Finish with a decorative border. Enjoy your handmade tissue box cover. Here are some tips for crochet tissue box. Measurements. Begin by measuring your tissue box for width, length and height. This ensures your crochet cover will fit snugly. Yarn choice. Choose a yarn suitable for the project. Cotton yarn works well for its durability and washability. Gauge swatch. Create a small gauge swatch to determine the number of stitches per inch. Adjust your hook size if needed to match the gauge. Foundation chain. Start with a foundation chain that matches the width of the tissue box. Make it slightly stretchy to allow for easy insertion and removal. Stitch pattern. Choose a stitch pattern you like. Simple stitches like single crochet or half double crochet work well for beginners. Tissue openings. Incorporate gaps or buttonholes for tissue to pull through. Mature and place them symmetrically on your rectangle. Construction. Work in rows to create a rectangle and wraps around the tissue box. Seam the sides together, leaving opening for tissues and the box to fit in. Border. Add a decorative border to finish the edges neatly. This can be a contrasting color or a textured stitch. Customization. Get creative with colors, stitch patterns, or embellishments to personalize your tissue box cover. Finishing touches. Weave in loose ends and ensure all seams are secure. Place your crochet cover over the tissue box and admire your handmade creation. Remember to enjoy the process and feel free to experiment with different patterns to make it uniquely yours. Tension consistency. Maintain consistent tension throughout your project to ensure an even a professional looking finish. Color changes. If you are using multiple colors, plan your color changes strategically to achieve a cohesive and visually appealing design. Testing fit. Periodically check the fit of your cover on the tissue box as you crochet to avoid any surprises later. Adjust the size if necessary. Enjoy your crochet project and have fun creating a functional and decorative tissue box cover. Thank you so much for watching this video.